Okay, in this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be applying Wolf's Chemicals Nano Glass Sealant. As you can see here. So, if you pay attention to Obsessed Garage, he is, I believe, the only distributor in the United States for this product. So I've used other glass coatings. This was part of a package that I ordered, so I'm going to give it a try. The truck gets parked outside. It's a daily driver, so we'll be able to see the real world durability. So the glass has already been washed, decontaminated with a clay mitt, cleaned with glass cleaner, and then prepped with 70% isopropyl alcohol. So the directions on the bottle say thoroughly clean surface to be treated and clay or polish with shine and seal nano polish if necessary to remove any embedded contaminants. The truck only has just over 500 miles, so we don't need to polish the glass. Apply a moderate amount of sealant to an applicator pad or microfiber towel and firmly work into the glass in small sections. Once the entire glass has been covered, repeat the application until a solid haze can be seen over the entire area. Let stand for 10 to 15 minutes and remove with a clean, damp microfiber towel or with window cleaner. So, when applying coatings, I've kind of gone towards using the rectangular microfiber pad just because of hand and finger fatigue. But for the glass, because there are a lot of flat sections on the glass on all windows, I will be using a typical CarPro applicator block with a microfiber suede towelette. The product comes with a red plug in the top, and then you get the dropper that you can insert into the bottle. Okay, so as I step back, you can see that there is starting to be a haze on the windshield. Now what Matt Mormon usually does is he coats the entire windshield and then he goes around to all of the other windows, and then by the time he's done with all of the other windows, it will be time to remove the sealant, starting with the windshield again. I will be applying 2 coats to the windshield, so we'll apply the first coat, remove it, and then apply a second coat to the windshield only. Okay, so it's probably been, I don't know, between 10 and 15 minutes, and I applied it to all the windows. We do not have a heavy haze, but there is a haze nonetheless. So with the next set, glass sealant, I used a Rag Company EXO 500 and just misted it with water, just damp water. And yeah, it was easily removed. So I'm going to try that first with this sealant. If it seems to be difficult to clean off the residue, then I'll likely go to the Stoner's glass cleaner. I don't know if the camera mic is picking that up, but there is a little bit of drag. It could just be the towel itself, but it seems to have removed the haze. We'll go back. Okay, so it's not as easy to remove as the Nextzett glass sealant, but the damp towel did work. If you want, I would use a lower pile towel and glass cleaner. So it looks pretty good, as you can see. We'll adjust the camera here. So, I mean, the glass is nice and clear, and right there next to the light you can kind of see where the white mark is, so I have to go back to the other side. So for a quick glass sealant application how-to, I would suggest the Wolf's if someone is looking for a glass sealant. Let me grab the bottle. And I didn't use very much on the glass for the truck. So if you see the bottle here, you can see where you can see here, that's it. That's all you used on, a full-size truck with a windshield, back glass, and two large side windows. This is the 150 milliliter bottle. So this would last you a long time unless you were coating windshields, as part of a business. So with that being said, come back and check out some videos in the future regarding durability updates, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and so on. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for more detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.